Hello, all my beautiful Scorpios. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. How are you all doing? And today we are going to read for you and your person. This is a love reading for the second week of December. These are general love readings, so if they don't resonate with each one of you, please watch for your sun, moon, and rising videos. Keep in mind, roles can be reversed, cross watchers are welcome, and I don't do reversals, so keep that in mind. I will flip the cards if they fall reversed. And please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with the reading. Let's see what is Leo feeling right now. Oh, Scorpio, maybe you're dealing with a Leo, maybe Scorpios. And let's see what a Scorpios feeling right now. It will pop up in the reading if you're dealing with a Leo. Okay. Uh, Spirits, guides, and angels, please tell me what are my Scorpios feeling right now. We have Queen of Pentacles. Wow, a very positive card for the beginning. How you're feeling? You're feeling very enthusiastic, passionate. You are happy with your achievements in life, and overall, this is a very stable energy right now. You are in Scorpio, okay? Feeling or and maybe you're very much focused on your career and finances and your stability, that kind of a thing. Okay, let's see what how do you view your person, Scorpio? Like, see, how do you view spirits and guides? Please tell me, how do you view them? You have the Temperance. Okay, the Temperance tells me that your person is right now trying to maintain a kind of a balance in their life, not doing too much of either of the things. Like, they're just trying to maintain a kind of balance in life. Okay, let's see what are your person's feelings for you. What are Scorpio's person's feelings for my dear Scorpios? Spirits and guides, please tell me what are my Scorpio's person's feelings for them. Okay, Five of Swords, conflicting energy, lot of conflicts between you. Something has really gone wrong, which has created a void in between you guys, and they are focusing on that rather than focusing on the love part. Okay, let's see. Scorpio, how your person views you. Okay, let's see how your person views you. How does your person view you, Scorpio? We have two cards. They view you as Two of Swords and the Justice. Yes, they know that you want justice. They want, you want them to come out of this Two of Swords energy, and you want what you have sown. You have invested in them, and you want to get that back, right? With the that you think that is your birthright, that is your right. You need to get, you want them to take a decision and come towards you. Unless they do it, you're fine as a Queen of Pentacles. The queen is so focused on her pentacle, she's not looking left, right, up, down, nowhere. She's very happy there with the dog lying there. She has all that she needs right now. Okay, then let's see what are you hoping for in this connection. Okay, Scorpios, what are you hoping for in this connection? What, spirits guys, please tell me what is my Scorpio hoping for in this connection. You are hoping to be the Queen of Wands. Yes, you want to have fun, you want to enjoy life, and you want to do it with them or without them. There is no question of you depending on anyone. No, Queen energy is no dependence. Like, I am the whole package. Okay, she's so vibrant. So she knows what she wants. She knows her mind's out. Look at her look on her face. I know what I want, kind of a look. Okay, so you don't give a damn what others tell you or think about you. No, you are the perfect one, kind of a thing. Okay, two queens for your energy, Scorpios. Very strong energy right now. You are in your full power. Now let's see what is your person hoping for in this connection. What are their hopes in your connection? Spirits, guys, please tell me what are my Scorpio's person's hopes in this connection. We have Hermit and the Eight of Wands. They were in a hermit energy. Now they want to communicate. Okay, they had been in this energy for a long time, and they were in the dark, and they kept you in the dark also, maybe. And now they want to open up, come to light, and communicate, talk to you. And they want to open the gates of communication which were closed before. Hermit is a closed energy, so the communication must be closed, and you must have blocked them. They must have blocked you. Either which way, energies can reverse. So you people are not in talking terms, and they want to communicate with you. Okay, let's see. We have what action you plan on taking with this person. That is the reason you are here, Scorpio. So don't tell me. I am very happy. Saw the sun card. Let's see if it pops. So what action you plan on taking with this person? You have Six of Swords. You are ready to move away. You have already moved away, kind of energy. Okay, though you're not talking, you're fine with the Five of Swords. If it is what it is, let's face it, kind of a thing. You have become very strong. Okay, now we have what action your person plans on taking is Knight of Wands. A lot of passion, a very passionate energy, a lot of fire, full enthusiasm, a drive, and this is some kind of a sexual. They want you, like they just miss your body. They just want you. They're very passionate, and they want to come towards you with this, but they're not solid. Okay, they're not like this is not a king's energy. Still they're stuck somewhere and trying to maintain a balanced life there, but they want to talk to you, they want to communicate with you, but still not sure about what exactly they are looking for. Let's see what is the outcome for this situation of my dear Scorpios and their person. What might be the outcome in the second week of December and after that? Spirits, guys, please tell me what is the outcome of this situation with my Scorpios. We have Star. Wow, Scorpios, this is like a wish fulfillment. Both of you have so much of love for each other, but you both are playing your parts either which way. Not talking right now, but your person is definitely interested in talking to you, but not you. You are in very like, I am fine where I am, I don't need anyone else, very much. And theirs is a knight's energy. Okay, so that's not what you want. You want something solid. So by far I can see Scorpios is that this is your wish fulfillment, and you're going to get your wish fulfillment, but it is going to take some time unless this Knight of Wands converts into a king or an emperor. This is not going to happen. Okay, let's see. Let's try to clarify the Knight of Wands. First we'll try to clarify the Six of Swords first. Okay, the Six of Swords sorry, what action you plan on taking with this person was like moving away to calmer waters. Yes, of course, you were in a Five of Swords energy. You have already taken this action. We have the Page of Wands. What action you plan on taking with this person is you want to give it maybe a new start, or maybe you people are looking into each other's social media right now. This is only the thing going on around here, the moving away energy and this looking into each other, spying on each other. Okay, that is kind of, and trying to like make out of each other's, like how is my Scorpio doing, what is he, or you, maybe you are also looking into their profile sometimes, that what are they actually doing, are they happy, are they sad. Okay, the Knight of Wands is clarified with the Queen of Swords. Okay, okay, we have three queens here, so that means this is, they are stuck somewhere. Maybe they are dealing with an Aquarian. See, there are almost all the elements except the cups. There are no cups here. So right now there is no give and take, no exchange of emotions, nothing. You people are just not talking to each other, but they do want to communicate, but nothing is here. Okay, and there are a lot of there's a lot of strong Libra energy. Then we have Aries, Leo, Sag. Lot of fire here. We have all the elements except water. Okay, and we will clarify the star card also for the outcome. Oh my god, this cannot be made up. See, you in front of you, it just fell off. This is your wish fulfillment. The divine is definitely working in this connection. And Scorpio, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. I'm telling you, whatever you're doing, keep doing it, because this, if it is meant to happen, it will happen, because it is your wish fulfillment, and it is going to, you are going to get this, you are going to get your 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups with this person. You are going to enjoy a very blissful life with this person. Okay, Scorpios, I will not suggest that you should wait for someone or not, but in this story, whoever this connects with, you people are not talking to each other, and you are right now very stable and very, if the energies match you, then only this is your your reading. Otherwise, if your person and you are nowhere near this kind of energy, so don't try to push into the reading. You can watch your other signs, sun, moon or rising videos, and but this looks like a very happy and fruitful outcome. And what Scorpio wants, let's see what my romance angels have to say about my Scorpios. Spirit guide, universe, please tell me, what do my Scorpios need to know? Please tell me, what do my Scorpios need to know? We have two cards, engagement and honeymoon. Oh my god, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Guys, someone is coming to talk to you, and you are definitely getting what you have always wished for. Always wished for this. Everyone wishes for this, okay? There's no doubt about it. But Scorpio, you're going to get it. Whoever is this resonating with, they are getting their answers. They are getting the communication they require. All the hermit energy is going to vanish as the communication starts, and there's going to be a new start. This Page of Wands can be a new start. Okay, let's pull out some fortune telling cards for the advice from the universe. Spirit guides, please tell me what is in store for my Scorpios. We'll pull out 3 cards. What is in store for my Scorpios? Universe, spirit guides, please tell me. One more card. Okay, we have 3 cards. Harp, great happiness. Scorpios, can you look? Great happiness is coming towards you. Lily, spiritual love. This is a soulmate energy, and this is a spiritual love what you're going to get in December onwards. December onwards, I'm telling you, this is a reading for December 2nd week onwards. Okay, bridge, successfully overcoming a problem. Yes, the 5 of Swords. You are going to get your success in this relationship, in your life. This is, I mean, happiness is coming towards you. Whatever you want, you are going to get your happiness. Whatever you desire, your wish fulfillment is coming. All your wishes are coming true, Scorpios. Just wait and watch. This new year is going to be very wonderful for you. So, this was your reading. I hope it helped all of you. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.